Hey, this is Matt Haviland here with Laguna Tools. Today we're going to check out some of the features of our P12 line of panel saws. Our P12 series are available with 8 and 10 foot sliding tables. They feature either a 7.5 horsepower 3-phase motor or a 5 horsepower single-phase motor. All models will have an independent 3/4 horsepower scoring motor. All of our P12 series panel saws feature industrial grade hardened steel rollers and precision ground linear bearings for effortless panel processing. Here at the support table, you'll find a telescoping crosscut fence that goes out to 140 inches, as well as a roller for easy panel loading, 2 adjustable flip stops, and a 45-degree locking miter. Another useful feature on these machines is our swing-away overhead dust collection arm. Included with every machine is our quick change dust hood system. Gives you options for panel processing as well as all of your miter cuts. Back here at the rip fence, you're going to get a 51-inch capacity, a Euro style high-low fence with micro adjustment. Thanks for checking out the features of our P12 panel saws. If you have any additional questions, reach out to us at 800-234-1976 or visit our website, lagunatools.com. Thank you.